Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we are going to look at a knit shirt made by Kufandi. Now this shirt is made from 80% viscose and 20% polyester, which means that it is going to be very elastic and kind of hold its shape. It's going to also make it very comfortable. Now this shirt is available in 10 different colors. This is going to be the navy color. You can also get this shirt from small all the way to 3X. Just be sure that you check your size and color to see if it's actually available when you order. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to open up the vacuum sealed bag that they have sent this in, and then we are going to take a close look at the actual makeup of the shirt and see what it looks like, and then I'm going to try it on and see how it feels. So let's do that. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to do is break the vacuum seal in the bag, and we are going to pull it out. There we go, and we're just going to set that over to the side right now. So once I actually straighten the shirt out, I can tell you I love the actual design here. It looks great. The button placket looks really nice. If you notice, it's kind of a stretchy type placket. It's the same material as this, so it's going to allow it to move. Now, one of the things I like to always look at is the actual buttonhole. The buttonhole on this one does look like it is sewn, which is nice. That means it's not going to tear up real quickly. And the buttons themselves seem to be sewn on pretty nice. Now, the one thing that can be deceiving here is this fabric is a little bit flexible so that it's hard to tell right off the bat. But if you look at it, you look at the actual thread that's holding the buttons on, they've done a really good job of getting those attached. So that's really nice. So let's unbutton a couple others and just make sure that they're all in good shape. That one's good. And let's see, we'll go ahead and do this one. And that one is good. So looks really nice. I love the stitching where everything is stitched in. Let's undo this top one. There we go. Our collar is going to be the simple lay down collar. I do like that. And this collar is a little stretchy too. But this is meant to actually lay on your shoulders, not stand up. They do give you an extra button. I would be sure and cut that loose and put it in a jewelry box or something somewhere where you're not going to lose it. So if you lose a button, you have a backup. So the other area you tend to have problems is going to be right in the armpit area. Now this one is going to have the normal cross stitching. They've pulled it up tight and stitched all the way through. So they have done a very good job of actually putting that together. Let's check the actual top part up here, which is where it is going to tie into your back. They've done the same thing. So they pulled all the different material together and stitched it. Now, you're going to notice that this has the really nice pattern on the front that goes this way that you can kind of see through just a little bit. If you flip the shirt over, it is a little bit more of a solid pattern which is very elastic, by the way, which is going to be really comfortable on your back. And on the back, you're going to notice you don't see through this one at all. It's mainly going to be just in the front. So the last thing that I'd like to look at is we're going to go ahead and look at the bottom here. So the bottom stitching is done very nicely. It's a single stitch, it looks like, going all the way around the bottom, and it is flexible as well, just like everything else on the shirt. Okay, got the shirt on, and the first thing I'm going to tell you is the shirt has a little bit of weight to it, which is great. That's actually what you want because it makes it drape and feel really, really comfortable. I have tried these kind of shirts before in the past, and they're very lightweight. They don't feel good. They just bunch up and they pull up in the shoulders and up underneath the arms. The little bit of weight on this makes it really nice because if you notice, it drapes long. So I do like that. So I could see wearing this shirt with blue jeans, dress pants, slacks, shorts. You could wear this with just about anything. It's going to look nice. Now, keep in mind it is a little bit transparent on the front. Like I said earlier, the back is going to be totally sealed. So I see this being more of a casual shirt, like wearing to the beach, wearing to a little, social gathering or whatever with friends, running around town. That's more what I see this shirt being. Now, I will tell you, it's so comfortable, I don't want to take it off. I like the way it feels. Actually, that's probably not a strong enough word. I'd say I love the way it feels. It's fantastic. Now, one of the things I always test on a shirt like this is how does it, does it bind up on my shoulders? So to give you a bit of reference though, I'm about 270 pounds, around 6'3". So it's hard for me to find a shirt that fits my shoulders correctly because I'm wider at the shoulder and a little narrower at the waist. And usually when I do a shirt that's 3X, it looks like I am wearing a tent. This one, the way it is tapered and made, I do not feel that way. And the movement of the arms is perfect. So if I raise them up, I feel just very slight pulling here on the sides, and it is giving because of the material. So that is normal. You should feel a little bit of that, but it is not binding in any way. If you look at the back, it's the same thing. Perfect. Works extremely well. So if I was going to rate the Kufandi knit shirt in navy on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because I think it's very well made. It's extremely comfortable. I think this shirt is made to last for a long time. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you guys on the next review.